spicy.
Yeah.
Oh!
Tango?
Tango cherry shockers.
Oh, God. That doesn't sound shockers.
Oh, just this. I just give up on it. My hands are sweaty and there's just no way I can ever open any of this. Whoa.
That looks tasty.
Oh, it smells nice. This must be spicy, right? Oh, it's like onion rings. Okay.
I think it's gonna be good.
Okay.
Ready? I like these.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Just spicy.
Good.
Good.
It looks like a treat you'd give to Milo.
Pretzels.
Mmm. That's exactly. I was just
It
gonna
looks
say
like a dog
almost
treat.
like a dog treat. Oh my god. Pizza. Pizza bites.
It doesn't smell great either.
I'll eat everything.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's pretzel. I like this.
That's tasty.
Yes. What?
Yeah, that's
Right.
good.
You know, it's like a pencil or whatever. Super chewy.
Very chewy.
What's yours? Oh, yeah, I can do that. Oh. Very sticky though. Oh.
Chewy.
Yeah, not bad.
This one doesn't look good.
Oh,
Oh, I
boy.
can't even get off the plate.
Boy. Okay, caramel or fudge. This is gonna break my tooth.
Smells like toffee.
But I mean, this should not go in my mouth.
Put it in.
Not the whole thing. Are you joking?
Oh, it's fighting back. Gooey, chewy.
It's like all over my teeth. It's like stuck everywhere. Oh, I mean puffs. That makes me happy. They look cheesy, they look yellow, you know, there's some dill in there. I mean, I'm just making this up, obviously I have no idea what this is, but
But it's going in the right
it's a
direction.
good size, it's easy to eat already. I'm excited about this. Extra large, what's it? Maybe a handful, I would say, a handful. I won't eat a whole
handful.
packet.
A packet, yeah, whatever
Same
floats your
thing.
boat.
For you.
I like it. I was not expecting that.
Yeah.
I'll have the whole thing. That's good.
I mean, they're just really tasty. Like, there's a bit of like a
Yeah,
little
no, they're really
explosion of flavors in your mouth. Oh my god, it's so chewy.
It's quite spicy.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh.